Be conscious of your breathing by taking another nice, deep, satisfying breath. Holding it 3 or 4 seconds and let it go slowly. And just let yourself relax. Now take another nice, deep, satisfying breath. Hold it 3 or 4 seconds and exhale it slowly. And give yourself permission to relax. This time, you're going to take a very deep, satisfying breath. Hold it 3 or 4 seconds, let it go slowly. And let your eyelids close. If they already close, let them relax even more. And each time that you exhale, you can feel yourself relaxing more and more. In just a moment, you're going to be more relaxed, more calm, and more peaceful than you've ever been before.